What's up guys, welcome to Onourshelf. So I'm pretty sure by now all of you are familiar with GoPro cameras. And if you are, you're probably also familiar with GoPro cameras price, which isn't cheap. Now I have one, they're good cameras and they produce good quality, so no problem there. However, for some people they are out of their price range. So here is a cheaper alternative. This is the Vantop Moment 3 action camera at right around 50 bucks. But let's see if it's any good. So here is the nice packaging that it comes in. As you can see, it's a protective carrying case. Let's go ahead and get it out. So as you open it up, as you can see right off the back, you get a ton of accessories, 21 extra accessories to be exact. Not to mention 2 extra batteries plus a 32 gigabyte SD card. So I'm gonna go over all the accessories, but not in any particular order. You get a waterproof housing, long connector, short connector 1 and 2, Surface J-hook buckle, 360 adapter, tripod mount adapter, bicycle handlebar, helmet mounts, USB cable, cable ties, cleaning cloth, remote control, wrist strap and remote control, helmet belt, 2 batteries, 2 adhesive pads, and a 32 gigabyte micro SD card. When everything is laid out, including the case, this is what it looks like. So here's the Vantop Moment 3 camera itself inside its waterproof housing. Just to go over a few features of this camera that's listed, it shoots at 4K at 30 frames per second, 2.7K at 30 frames per second, 1080p at 60 frames per second, and 720p at 120 frames per second. It has a 170-degree ultra wide-angle lens. It's waterproof at up to 100 feet of submersion, and it has an instant share feature via Wi-Fi with your smartphone app. We'll talk about that a little bit more in a second, but let's have a closer look at the camera. So with the case on, you have access to all your buttons, record, power, and settings buttons. For a closer look out the case, this is your power button. This is your 170-degree wide-angle lens. This is your battery and micro SD card compartment, tripod mount, micro USB port and micro HDMI port. On top you have your microphone, settings button, and shutter button, which also acts as a multi-function button. The power button acts as a multi-function button as well. And on the back you have your 2.2-inch LCD display with 2 indicator lights on the left hand side. Overall, it's a very small camera that fits in the palm of my average size hands. Now as far as adjusting the settings on the camera, you can do it on the actual camera itself. However, this is not the preferred way, mainly because you have 3 buttons that are multifunctional and make transitions not that fast, especially if you have the waterproof housing on. But it can be done fairly easily with a little bit of practice. You can also play back videos and photos that you've captured directly on the camera itself. Now the other way and the best way to manage the settings on the camera is via the app. You can record, take pictures, change every single setting, and it all works very fluently. Also, you have a live view feature so you can actually see what the camera's seeing at that exact moment. You can also play back previously recorded videos and take a look at previously saved photos. So with that being said, here are some photos and videos taken from the actual camera. So after reviewing the footage and keeping in mind that this camera costs right around 50 bucks, I have to say it's a good deal at that price point. If this camera was 150 bucks or 200 bucks, no, it wouldn't be worth it because the quality isn't quite there of the newest GoPros. But for what they're asking for it and all the accessories that come with it in the carrying case, it's a great deal at that price point. If you're on a budget and you're looking for a decent camera that can pretty much do everything, then hey, you have it right here in front of you, the Vantop Moment 3 action camera. It's really a great deal at this price point. For more information on this product or to purchase this product, I will put an Amazon affiliate link below. Don't forget to like this video. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching.